Okay, welcome back, guys. Got these parts ready, prepped for paint. Everything is sanded down, cleaned up. Got the two fenders, the front bumper, and the rear trunk lid. That's the car right there. Got the roof all painted. I'll give that another day to dry. And I'll mask it off and tape the corners. And start painting this. And on the other side also. After I weld that cut back in. Probably do that when I'm done painting these parts today. What am I gonna end up doing is probably put all these painting videos all together, because it's all these parts and steps are gonna be the same. A couple of base coats, and 2 to 3 base coats, and then also 2 to 3 coats of clear. Basically, what I'm doing for painting is all redundant, and you guys can just enjoy the video. Okay, I'm about to spray the first coat of base coat. Go real light first, let it dry, and then do the second coat right after it. Okay, that was 2 coats of base coat. It covered real well. I'm about to do a third one just to make sure everything's covered nice and even. Okay, this is the color after 3 coats. Covered real well. Everything looks matte. That's what we're looking for. It means everything's dry. And now I'm about to spray the first coat of clear. Okay, while I'm waiting for the parts to dry, I'll be cutting this up. Okay, this is 25 minutes after the first coat of clear, and I'm ready to spray the second one right now. But this is the first coat. It looks pretty good for one coat. Some spots are still hazy, but that's what the second coat is for. Okay, that was the second coat. I just finished it. I'm about to give it another 25 minutes to flash dry, and then I'll check it again. If it needs a third coat, I'll give it. If not, then that's it. Now I'm gonna head back and finish that cut up for the driver's side. Okay, so these are the parts after 2 coats. sure that's all they need. A light sanding and a buff, get everything right out. Because I went pretty heavy on the second coat. And that's it for these parts. Now I'm just gonna continue taking apart that cut that I have and weld it on today. Okay, that took a while, but it's finally off. Now we can finally put it back on here. I'll see some way to zip tie it, to vice grip it. Gotta straighten out this bent metal over here. There. I'll get it lined up and vice gripped on and ready for welding. I'll have to grind these down. These are old spot welds. And I'll go from there.